Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog, or welcome to the vlog if you're new here. My name is Jasmine McDonald and I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And this vlog started out with preparing some butternut squash for the week. I absolutely love meal prepping just because then it doesn't require me to do so much in the week. I have more time to go on walks, have more time to spend with the pets, I have more time to spend on work, or I have more time to go on these windy walks. It was so windy that the waves were literally eating the beach. But it was Steve's birthday weekend. He turned 30 years old, and on his birthday I got a cake. We went for a really long walk, and it was such gorgeous weather on this weekend. Where we walked, Elsa could run free, and she really needed it. Like, guys, she did not stop running and swimming and having fun. She has so much energy. She also loves swimming, so we took her to a place where she could swim, and there were actually heron nests far. You can barely see them in the video, but you can see them on top of these trees, and there's a heron right there landing in the nest. And guys, I was so shocked to find a literal field of quartz later on. I have never seen anything like this, but just wait until you see it. It's so incredible. Nature's so cool. This is all quartz, all of it. So cool how it's like in the rock. Like, you can't really tell in this video, but it's literally like quartz. Look in the sunlight. Do you see it in the sunlight? Oh my gosh, that's so cool. And the black stuff too, it's like black quartz or something. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is cool. So when we got back from our walk, we went out to the casino with our friends, and I couldn't film in the casino, but I did film a little bit of what I got at the buffet. I got like 4 or 5 plates at the buffet. We were all so full, but it was so much fun, and it was an awesome way to spend Saturday night as well as Steve's birthday. Like I said earlier, I love doing meal prepping just because I don't have to do as much cooking during the week if I do this. So Sunday evening, after we went shopping in the afternoon, I meal prepped some food for the rest of the week. And after meal prepping food on Sunday, we went for a short walk, and we actually had a tree that was not alive anymore, so it had to be cut down. But through that, we got a bunch of wood chips that we used in our garden, and I'll have to show you guys in the next vlog because we literally just added them the other day. And in general, I can't wait for summer vlogs and summer in general, because then I get to start gardening. I can show you guys what we're growing in our garden, and summer's just the best overall. That's all I have to say. So many wood chips, oh my gosh. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. Today it is Tuesday, April the 16th, and it's so gorgeous and sunny out, which makes me so happy because I love spring. I think everybody else loves spring too, and it just makes me so much happier to go outside and know it's sunny and warm rather than snowy and cold. But on that note, I am just about to film a workout video to put up today because I'm a little bit behind on my YouTube channel, but I figured I would also vlog today. I just have a lot of things I want to catch up on because this month I was really just focused on like finances and adult stuff and like getting my life together. So it's been pretty boring for you guys. Also boring for me, but like also very stressful. So now that some things are kind of finalized, I just want to get back into my regular routine because this weekend I'm at a dance competition from Friday until Sunday, but I haven't been reading. I haven't been crocheting like I was like a month ago. And I'm really sad about that because I got into a really good habit of reading before bed and crocheting on my days off, and it's really relaxing. So we're gonna get back into that today. But before that, I do have to film a quick workout. I think I'm gonna do a core workout because last night I was teaching until late. Oh my gosh, I just messed that up. That's okay. I was teaching until late, and oh my gosh, the core workout we did in our workout class was so good. I'm going to record it today for you guys on YouTube because I know everybody loves a good core workout. And yeah, that's pretty much my morning. I just taught my first morning class from 8:30 until 9:30, currently 9:45, and then I don't teach again until like 4 o'clock until 5, and that's pretty much it. And I have one more class at 7 till 8 tonight, but Tuesdays are really easy, which I love. I love Tuesdays. There you go. And normally I would go to my crochet class, but like I said, I just want to get back into routine, and I just really want to tidy up the house, clean up. I need to run some errands as well this morning. That's pretty much that. Okay, that's probably good enough. I don't want to do like a huge makeup look because I'll probably save that for later. I also have to shower. My hair is so greasy. I'm gonna do that after I work out though, like duh. Okay, hi guys. It's currently Wednesday, April 17th, and Tortured Poets Department comes out in 2 days. But I'm going to do a ballet class. I just finished filming a little TikTok, and I'm gonna throw on some makeup and then throw my pointe shoes. Throw on a leotard and tights. Maybe. We'll see. Not tights. But definitely a Leo because I feel motivated and inspired. I felt even more motivated, but I just had a big snack. Now my tummy kind of hurts because I ate it too fast. So we'll see. Yeah, I'm super excited for Tortured Poets Department to come out. I'm also excited for this weekend because I'll be at a dance competition and I'll try my best to take you guys with me, even though, yeah, I'll be running all sorts of around. But I am going to stay at my parents' house tomorrow and then drive up to the competition. Other than that, though, I've just been chilling. Like I said, I had a very stressful month and I wasn't the most motivated, but in the times where I'm not motivated, because that's one of my biggest questions from you guys, what do I do to stay motivated? I listen to my body. Like if my body's like, nope, you just want to rest today, watch a show and chill, try my best to do that, obviously permitting, because I do work a couple of jobs. But if I have free time and rather than just forcing myself to work, I'll just listen to my body and chill if I need to. But yeah, it's really rainy today as well. Yesterday it was so sunny and so gorgeous, and now it's rainy and gloomy, but that's okay. I kind of like rainy days. I am still in my sweatpants because I was just teaching and I didn't want to get out of my sweatpants to teach. So I'm gonna go get changed in a Leo. Okay, so I just threw my hair up in a pony because I'm just gonna do like a pointe class online and at home. And the Leo that I picked for today is a Yumiko, and the skirt that I paired with it is, I think it's from Dasha, which I don't even know if the brand exists still because I got this back when I was like 14 years old, and I've had the skirt for forever. I've had it forever, and I'm of course gonna wear my Sancha jumpsuit on top to get nice and warm. And I'm gonna throw my pointe shoes because it's probably the last day that I can wear these guys. These pointe shoes are so beyond usable. They're so beyond usable. I need to sew in a brand new pair of pointe shoes because these are just getting like too painful. You can literally squish your finger in. So wish me luck. I thought I didn't have a toe pad and that made me really nervous for a second. I also haven't worn pointe shoes in a while because I kind of hurt my left ankle as well as my toe. So I've been taking a break from wearing my pointe shoes just to give it some extra time to heal, especially since I've been on my feet a lot the last few weeks. And I think that's the culprit of the pain in my toe and wearing shoes that are probably too tight. So my bunion's like reforming. But like I said, I haven't worn pointe shoes in a while. Probably been like a week and a bit. So we'll see how this goes. These shoes are so beyond broken in. I don't know how this is going to go truly because they're so soft. So soft. But like I said, I'll just do like a pointe class rather than like full on ballet class. They're so soft. All right, guys, it is currently Thursday, April, I want to say it's the 18th, but bless you. I am about to go and be away for the weekend pretty well, but I am going to be away for the weekend. So I'm just gonna do my makeup really quickly and then I'm gonna head out the door and hopefully be on the road in the next 10 or 15 minutes. Where is my other clip? But like I said, I'm about to head out and be gone and be at a dance competition over the weekend. So I just thought I'd hop on here, pretty much do an outro while I get ready. I love these glow drops from Typology. I love the iridescence that it gives me. And I need the glow because tonight I work from, I wanna say I work from 3 until like 9 o'clock or something like that. Actually, what time is it right now? Probably about 2 o'clock. Okay, I'm going to add on the Type 1 tinted serum, and I try to concentrate it closer to my under eyes just because that's where I have the most discoloration in my face. Love how lightweight all of this product is. I'm going to add a little bit of blush, and for blush I'm going to use the Hydro Maniac in the shade Wrecked from Urban Decay. I love a lot of blush. Also tonight, Taylor Swift's Tortured Poets Department comes out, so I'm gonna wear some extra glitz and sparkles for the occasion. I'm also wearing my 1989 crew neck. I'm just like patting extra product on. I might add some of this eyeliner to make it extra sparkly because why not? It's a special day. Going to curl my eyelashes, going to apply some mascara. Okay, like I always say, I always use these 3 products for my eyebrows. Oh no, I lost the cap for one of them. But I always start with this pencil and I just fill in the sparse areas. See, I have glitter like all over, but that's okay. I love this wand, this Urban Decay Big Bush brow wand. It's just so easy to apply products like this. Like, why didn't we do this in the first place in the early 2010s? That really would have saved my eyebrows a lot more of humiliation. I don't like go too into them just because I don't want to look whole wacky. And then I'll just slick them down with the Slick Day brow. I add a lot of this on, I'm not gonna lie, just to like keep them where I want them. Then last but not least, I'm gonna add the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk in the shade Medium. And that's pretty much it. I'll do a little spritz with the All Nighter setting spray. I'm gonna use this one because it's already open. And like I said, that is it. I am going to pack up the car, put all of my stuff away because I have to be on the road in like 5 minutes. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now. I also just don't want to move my face right now because this is still setting. Bye.